Welcome to our detailed guide on how to add your high school on Snapchat. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Next, scroll down on the screen and under the Community section, tap on Add School. From there, select Add High School to proceed with adding your high school details. Enter the name of your high school and be sure to include your graduation date for a personalized touch. This information helps customize your Snapchat experience within the high school community. After filling in the required details, tap on Next to move forward, and then finalize the process by tapping on Done. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly add your high school to your Snapchat profile, enabling you to connect with classmates and engage with high school-related content. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Enhance your Snapchat experience by adding your high school and unlocking a new level of social connection within your high school community.